Hello, I'm Cameron Lang from Eagle Eye Oven Cleaning. Welcome to our state-of-the-art oven cleaning training centre. In this centre we have 8 single ovens, 6 double ovens, range, some extractors, basically everything that you need to try to learn to become a professional oven cleaner. So when we're here, you'll learn how to take the doors off. This is quite an easy one, quite a standard door. 2 hinges pops off, and I'll just put this one back on. As well as you've got the different racks that come out. There's back panels, and there's quite a lot that goes into it. And when you spend a week with me, you'll be in here for a good day, maybe more if we need to, but a day should be enough just to kind of play about with the ovens, take the doors off, take the racks out, just build up your confidence. So when you go out on the roads, you're feeling good, you're feeling confident, and you're going to give your customers the best possible service that you can.